Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change email template in QuickBooks. So we're currently here at qbo.intuit.com, and from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just click on the settings icon. Then under your company section, just click on custom form styles. And from here, we can start by selecting a new style. I'm just going to choose invoice. Next, from the three options, we're just going to switch to emails. And from here, you can start by customizing how your invoice appears in emails. You can choose to show full details, summarize details, or if you want a PDF attached, just click on the check button. And next, in the standard email section, you can edit the email your customers get with every invoice. You can see a preview in this right corner. And from here, you can change the subject of the email. And also, you have an option here if you want to use a greeting or not. You can simply uncheck and check this box. And from the drop down menu, you can choose which greeting you're going to choose. You have an option to use to or dear, and the full name or the first or title and last. You have a variety of options from the drop down menu. And from here, you also have an option to add or edit a message to your customer. You can just input or enter the message that you want to add on your email. Before saving, you can also have a preview of how the PDF will look like just by clicking on Preview PDF. And from here, as you can see, this is how our new customized email is gonna look like as a PDF file. So once you're done, just click on Done. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!